right there.
You can see a bunch of shadows.
Right there.
Yeah, close if you want.
Oh, there's two little ones right next to each other.
Yeah. Maybe that big one is a Where's the shark?
It's out there. The little snouts. They peek up so quick.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Come here, baby. Come say hi, Mama. Come here, Mama.
Goodness.
Come here. Hi, Mama.
Oh.
No, I missed.
Might be able to stand by. Yeah, they're definitely over there. There's smaller snouts.
great place to hang out. Have a good day.
You too.
You got your wolves? I got them. Okay.
What do you guys think? That's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, we'll be at your house.
Saw some manatees. Silk Harbor.
Oh no. Oh.
Here? Yeah. No, or like anywhere.
Also seen the alligator when I was running or riding a bike.
I just get nervous and scared when I'm in
It was
Florida.
in the pond. It was in the pond.
Fun.
Oh,
But this one isn't either. It's not the only
Oh, jeez. Oh, we have right shoes for this.
probably not.
Here, I'll get you. I'll go back this way.
Okay, sounds good. Sorry, Corey.
You can find your route going through the slide area.
Following you. Show me how you sound.
This is how I'm
Hey.
Just did a tree town play with my cousins. I can't keep up with it. It's way too much running around, climbing through ropes and trails and stuff. But
Got a little bit of Noah doing it. I didn't.
I tried. The crinkly little tail.
I didn't know if you got pricked again or anything. maybe felt grubby because I wore sandals all day. I want to go to bed with gross feet. Oh.
Oops. So we checked out of Port Orleans this morning.
It was really sad. I don't want to talk about it.
And then we visited our family.
That's a little too bright.
That's too bright.
Okay, that's
Whatever.
better.
Took the cousins to the park. We saw some manatees.
Oh my gosh, we saw baby manatees and mama manatees. We didn't see like their actual full like faces or bodies, but like these little snouts would, these little cute little nostrils would pop up and just go and like blow water out of it. It was really cute.
And then went to the park. They played on the playground. It was crazy.
No, joined them a little bit.
Tried to. And then I grabbed some pizzas with my cousin. Saw their house. And then we drove back to Disney. So I was in Bradenton, so I was an hour and 45 away. Back to drop the car off, hit Magic Kingdom traffic.
Well, did you say that you hit it? We rented a car.
We rented a car to get there,
Got
yeah.
off, you said that, yeah.
It's the only day we had a car because we've been using shuttle buses, so that's pretty convenient. And then we Ubered here to Endless Summer Dockside.
Yeah.
We were way too tired to do any intro today. It's been a long day of driving, so we did a little room tour. I got my own bed because...
Yeah, we decided that since we have 2 queen beds, why share? We each have our own space. We miss our king size bed
Is
already.
this a queen?
These are queens.
These look like a
No, these are
fool.
fools.
What the
You're a
heck?
fool.
I ordered 2 queens. Is that bigger?
Maybe that's a queen and a fool.
Maybe.
Regardless.
Doesn't matter. I'm ready to go to sleep.
Yeah.
We're not even unpacking tonight. We got Volcano Bay in the morning.
Lazy River all day.
Yeah, so maybe we'll unpack before we go,
Yeah,
but it's
probably.
us.
We did pretty good last time unpacking. Because he made me.
Like, we're unpacking before dinner reservations.
I was like, no. And he was like, yes, you're not going to want to do it tomorrow. And then the next day came around and I was like, you're right. Thanks for making me unpack.
And then tomorrow we have Volcano Bay. Early entry is 9:30. Regular guess is 10. So we're gonna try to get a good spot underneath an umbrella or something maybe. There's some free ones.
Somewhere.
There's free ones that aren't. There's free ones that I'm half asleep. There's free ones that are under shade.
I don't know.
And then we have a reservation for Toothsome Chocolate Emporium tomorrow night.
I think so. Chocolate Factory, Chocolate Emporium.
Emporium, I think. Heard the
like that.
milkshakes there are really good. Desserts are really good there.
Yeah, they're insane.
What's the design of that place? Chocolate Factory, but it's like what's that style?
Industrial?
Industrial, I guess.
Steampunk?
Steampunk. That's the word I'm thinking of. So.
Yeah, really excited about that. I read their burgers on the menus today, and I'm like, I really could go for a good burger. So we'll see what I get. We'll probably film it because we're having fun filming.
Yeah. Most likely we will. But
Yeah, we're really tired. So I'll probably combine this one with tomorrow since not much is going on. Since can't take the camera to the water park, so maybe we'll get some footage on my phone. We'll see.
yeah, we can take it, just put it in the bag or something.
No, I don't want to risk it.
No. All right.
But night. We're going to Volcano Bay. Just looking forward to sitting in an inner tube with the lazy river and going round and round. and around and around and around. And then maybe doing the life jacket one where
Fearless River.
everyone wears a life jacket and it's like a little bit quicker of a current and it just like carries you around. And definitely want to try to do the water coaster. Maybe some raft slides.
Heck yeah.
Feeling a lot better. For sure. No Tylenol needed this morning. Knock on
Daylight
wood.
savings. Got an extra hour.
Oh my god. We woke up, we're like, what time is it? We thought it was 8 o'clock. It was 7 o'clock because it went back. So we got lucky.
So early entry starts in a little bit. We're just gonna try to get some shade spots.
Get some good, umbrella spots.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a huge park. At least it seems like that when we've watched videos. But everyone usually gravitates towards the front volcano area. But there's an area off to the side where there's like a lot of umbrella and shade and stuff. So we're gonna shoot for that.
There's a bar next door.
There's a bar next door. So yeah, maybe some blended nice little drinks.
All right.